Hey there, welcome to another Canva tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to save your Canva design as a PDF instead of a PNG or any other file format. I'll be doing this on a desktop, but the steps are nearly the same if you're using the Canva app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open one you've already been working on. I've got a sample resume open for this demo. Once you're ready to download your design, head up to the top right corner and click on Share. From the drop-down menu, select Download. In the download settings, you'll see the file type is probably set to PNG by default. Click on it to open the list of available formats. You'll see two options under PDF, PDF Standard and PDF Print. Now, which one should you choose? If your design includes high-resolution images or graphics like a poster or a brochure, go with PDF Print for better quality. But if it's something simple like a resume or a mostly text-based document, PDF Standard is a better choice since the file size will be smaller. After selecting your preferred PDF option, just hit the Download button. That's it. Canva will save the PDF file to your computer. For me, it goes straight into the Downloads folder. I can open it up and see my design perfectly preserved as a PDF. And that's how you save a Canva design as a PDF. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. For more Canva tips and tutorials, check out the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tutorials and gadget reviews. Thanks so much for watching.